Hello everyone, I welcome you all to the Infinity Vision platform. Right now loading one such question that came in your NEET examination. This question came on NEET 2019. So let us see this question first. Question says, which color of the light has the longest wavelength? Obviously, you have been given these colors, VIBGYOR. Okay, so the white light is split into 7 constituent different colors. Obviously, the red would have a longest wavelength because its wavelength is highest. Okay, and the wavelength of violet is lowest. Wavelength of red we already know is greater than the wavelength of violet. It is close to 400 nanometer and it is close to 700 nanometer. Okay, so 400 to 700 nanometer is it is the closest visible wavelength spectrum. Obviously, if its wavelength is high, so that means the frequency of red is less as compared to the frequency of violets. Okay, so the answer would be over the first option, that is red. Okay, I hope this question is clear to everyone. Thank you. Hello everyone, I welcome you all to the Infinity Vision platform. Right now loading one such question that came in your NEET examination. This question came on NEET 2019. So let us see this question first. Question says, in which of the following devices the eddy current effect is not used? Okay, eddy current effect, we know that the eddy current is produced within the conductor and it is a circular, it is in the form of concentric circle. The current is in the form of concentric circle within the conductor. So it would be just like this. Circular current would be flowing. It can only be produced whenever a magnetic field is changing. Okay, so whenever the magnetic field is changing, you will be getting a circular eddy current within the conductor. Okay, and this magnetic field is always perpendicular to this plane of the current. Okay, and where it is used? So it is used in, we know that it is used in induction furnace, magnetic brakes in the train, as well as electromagnet. It is not used in electric heater. Okay, so this would be the answer, because electric heater works on the principle of Joule's heating effect. Okay, whenever the current is passed through a device, it will gonna heat up, and this energy would be produced in the form of heat and light. So in electric heater, it is produced in the form of heat mostly. Some form of the energy is also lost in the form of light. So that means the most probable answer is electric heater, because electric heater works on the principle of Joule's heating effect, not on the principle of eddy current. Okay, I hope this question is clear to everyone. Thank you. Hello everyone, I welcome you all to the Infinity Vision platform. Right now I'm doing one such question that came in your NEET examination. This question came on NEET 2019. Okay, so let us see this question first. Question says, increase in the temperature of the gas filled in the container would lead to increase in the mass? No, if gas is filled within the container, so it cannot have increase in the mass. So the mass cannot be increased. Kinetic energy of its increase in the kinetic energy. Obviously, if you will give the temperature, it will provide the heat. So its kinetic energy of each molecule will increase. So they will keep on vibrating. They will keep on moving. So that means the kinetic energy is increased. So this statement is also true. Decrease in the pressure. Pressure cannot be decreased since you are applying the temperature is increasing. You are applying the heat. That it will tend to move outward. So that means its pressure will keep on increasing. Decrease in the intermolecular distance. No. Obviously, if they're gonna gain the energy, so they'll tend to move apart. So that means B would be the correct option. So that means with increase in the temperature, there would be increase in the kinetic energy of the gas molecules. Okay, I hope this question is clear to everyone. Thank you.